next method of preparation of aldehydes and ketones is we are going to prepare the aldehydes and ketones from aromatic hydrocarbons. Aromatic hydrocarbons can be used for the preparation of aldehydes as well as the ketones. There are different methods for preparation of aldehydes and ketones. First of all, we are learning about the preparation of aldehydes by these four methods. Out of these, first one is the Itard reaction. Itard reaction. In the Itard reaction, what happens? Benzene and its derivatives. Benzene and its derivatives means we are taking here methyl benzene. Here we are taking the methyl benzene, that is the toluene. CH3. Methyl benzene, that is the toluene. When react with chromyl chloride, CrO2Cl2. Chromyl chloride. In presence of catalyst carbon disulfide. In presence of catalyst carbon disulfide, it produces a complex first that is referred as a chromium complex. As such, OCr OHCl2, OCr OHCl2. It is a chromium complex. Which on acid hydrolysis, CH3O plus ions. It is a acid hydrolysis which on acid hydrolysis gives the aromatic aldehyde, that is the benzaldehyde, CH2. That is, we are preparing here the benzaldehyde. We get the benzaldehyde, BEN benzaldehyde. We get the benzaldehyde. It is called as Itard reactions. By this method, we can prepare the aromatic aldehydes, that is the benzaldehyde. The next method is now the second method by the oxidation of methyl arenes using chromium oxide. आता याच्यामध्ये मिथिल arenes म्हणजेच any derivatives which is having a side methyl chain, that is the toluene or methyl benzene. Benzene on a reaction with chromium oxide, CrO3, chromium oxide, in presence of acetic anhydride, CH3CO. It is a acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride, it gives at low temperature, means 273 to 278 Kelvin temperature, means in cold condition these chromium oxide and acetic anhydride reacts with methyl benzene and its derivatives, that is methyl benzene, and they gives a benzalidene diacetate intermediate derivative मिळेल आपल्याला इथं, that is the benzalidene diacetate. बघा आता हा benzalidene diacetate benzalidene diacetate. दोन ॲसिटेट ग्रुप आहेत त्यामुळे डायॲसिटेट. विच ऑन ॲसिड हायड्रॉलिसिस, विच ऑन ॲसिड हायड्रॉलिसिस, which on acid hydrolysis gives the aromatic aldehyde, that is the benzaldehyde. Aromatic aldehyde, that is the benzaldehyde. It is the second method. Methyl benzene reacts with chromium oxides in presence of acetic anhydride in cold condition. In cold means at 273 to 278 Kelvin temperature, produces intermediate compound, that is the diacetate compound. That is the name of this compound is benzalidene diacetate, which on acid hydrolysis gives the benzaldehyde. Okay. Third reaction, that is the side by side chain chlorination of toluene. आता याच्यामध्ये टोल्यून जे आहे म्हणजेच मिथिल बेन्झीन आहे त्याची जी साइड चेन आहे ते क्लोरिनेशन केले जाईल. इट मीन्स Cl2 in presence of ultraviolet light, the side chain is chlorinated, means it form benzyl chloride CHCl2. It form benzyl chloride BEN, benzyl chloride. Benzyl chloride on acid hydrolysis and about 373 Kelvin temperature gives the benzaldehyde. It is a commercial method, means by commercially benzaldehyde can be prepared by this method. Benzaldehyde, it gives benzaldehyde. Question may be asked in such a way that how will you prepare benzaldehyde from methyl benzene or toluene. टोल्यून पासून तुम्ही बेन्झाल्डिहाइड कसं तयार कराल ही तिसरी मेथड आपण बघतो. पहिल्या दोन्ही मेथड आपल्या ज्या बघितल्या त्या मिथिल बेन्झीन पासून ज्या त्यांच्यापैकी तिन्हीपैकी कुठली एक मेथड तुम्हाला आठवेल तुम्ही लिहू शकता बेन्झाल्डिहाइड कसं आपल्याला याच्यामध्ये तयार करता येईल. ओके, ही झाली तिसरी मेथड. द लास्ट मेथड आता आपण बघूया Gutterman-Koch formulation reaction. By this method we can prepare aromatic aldehydes, that is the benzene and its derivatives. Benzene and its derivatives reacts with carbon monoxide and hydrochloric acid. Carbon monoxide and hydrochloric acid in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 or cuprous chloride. AlCl3 or cuprous chloride can be used here as a catalyst. Means this benzene is react with carbon monoxide and hydrochloric acid in presence of this catalyst under high pressure. Remember, under high pressure means benzene rings जे काही ॲडिशन बेन्झीन रिंगमध्ये करायचं आहे त्यासाठी प्रेशर वापरावं लागेल अंडर हाय प्रेशर. They gives benzaldehyde. They use benzaldehyde. Means this is the Gutterman-Koch reaction. By this method, benzene and its derivatives under high pressure reacts with carbon monoxide and hydrochloric acid in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride or cuprous chloride gives benzaldehyde. These are the methods of preparation of aromatic aldehydes. Next method is we are going to prepare ketones from aromatic hydrocarbons. This method is studied in the last bit, that is the preparation of acyl chloride, reaction with acyl chloride with benzene. याच्यामध्ये आपण ती रिएक्शन बघितली आहे, तीच रिएक्शन आता आपण बघणार आहोत. ज्या रिएक्शनचं नाव आहे फ्रीडल-क्राफ्ट रिएक्शन. फ्रीडल-क्राफ्ट रिएक्शन ही रिएक्शन आपल्याला झालेली आहे, त्याचा आपण थोडंसं थोडक्यात परत एकदा रिवाइज करूया. आता याच्यामध्ये बेन्झीन reacts with acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, they gives ketones, that is the CH3, that is the acetophenone. And the HCl is the side product. This gives the ketone, aromatic ketone, that is the acetophenone. This is the Friedel-Crafts reaction, means acetyl chloride reacts with benzene in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, they use acetophenone. Beside this acetyl chloride, you can use acetic anhydride also. Acetic anhydride this is the acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride, and it gives the acetophenone, but the side product is different here, plus CH3 C double bond OH, that is the acetic acid. Acetic acid means benzene react with acetic anhydride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, they gives acetophenone. The side product is different. फक्त याच्यामध्ये हे जे रिएजंट घेतलेले आहे ते बेन्झीन बरोबर ती रिएक्ट करतायत in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride. When you are using acetyl chloride, the side product is the HCl, and when you are using acetic anhydride, the side product is the acetic acid. It is the aromatic ketone. हा जो आहे तो aromatic ketone. In this way, we have learned about the preparation of aldehydes and ketones from aromatic hydrocarbons. Yes, last method of preparation of aldehydes and ketones, that is only the aldehydes can be prepared by this. Only aldehydes. Preparation of aldehydes. Only from ester, means aldehydes can be prepared. Only aldehydes can be prepared by these esters. Esters R C double bond O R dash. These are maybe same or different. These are called as the esters. Esters on reduction with DIBAL dash H, double H that is diisobutyl aluminum hydride on acid hydrolysis at 195 Kelvin temperature. Temperature is important here because at this low temperature 195 degrees 195 Kelvin means near about 78 degrees Celsius, minus 78 degrees Celsius. At this low temperature, the further reduction of these aldehydes can be stopped, means only you can getting the aldehydes, म्हणजे याचं परत पुढे रिडक्शन होणार नाही, म्हणजे याच्यापासून ॲसिटिक ॲसिड वगैरे तयार होणार नाही किंवा ॲसिड कार्बोक्सिलिक ॲसिड तयार होणार नाही. त्यासाठी हे टेम्परेचर महत्त्वाचं आहे, 195 केल्विन टेम्परेचर. अँड दे यूज द aldehydes R-OH. example घेऊया आपण. CH3 C double bond O O CH3. it is the METHYL methyl acetate. Methyl acetate on reduction with Al, it is the diisobutyl aluminum hydride. You can write by this method or by this, both are the same. At 195 Kelvin temperature, they use CH3, that is the ACETALDEHY acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde we are getting here. When methyl acetate is reduced with the diisobutyl aluminum hydride and acid hydrolysis at 195 Kelvin, they use acetal. By this method you can prepare aromatic aldehydes also, means aliphatic and aromatic aldehydes can be prepared from this system. Another example which are going to prepare the aromatic aldehydes, that is the C double bond O OCH2. it is the methyl benzoate on reduction with AlHIPu twice H3O plus 195 Kelvin temperature, they use benzaldehyde. They use benzaldehyde. Methyl benzoate on reduction with diisobutyl aluminum hydride at 195 Kelvin temperature, they use the benzaldehyde. Means from esters you can prepare aliphatic aldehydes and aromatic aldehydes. This is the last method of preparation of aldehydes and ketones. These are the last method of aldehydes and ketones. We are in the next period we are going to start preparation of carboxylic